We're at the Schoodic Peninsula. The Schoodic. We're at the Schoodic Peninsula.
No, we're not saying that.
No? So this peninsula is also part of Acadia National Park. It's about an hour and a half drive from where we're camping and from the Holes Visitor Center, the main area of Acadia. Formed out of volcanoes?
That's what sign said.
Whoa.
Oh, it's just a seagull.
I just took a dump there though.
Oh, yuck.
That was awesome.
Gross.
Good thing I wasn't filming that way.
I know, right?
Because we would have had a bird dumping. Actually would have been a pretty cool shot.
No.
No? I think if you come to Acadia, you gotta come here.
Yeah. It's really
And
pretty.
what time is it?
It is 5:50.
Come later in the evening, maybe. I don't know what it's like during the day, but we won't have a chance to come back here before we leave.
No, it's about an hour drive from
About
where
a
we're
day.
staying. We see that there's dolphins out here, but we haven't seen any so far.
And whales and seals, but
Yeah.
all we've seen is a big duck, a big buck, a deer,
A red fox.
a red fox,
A rat with babies.
a rat with babies in
That's
Jessup Path,
That's gross.
swimming
And
in
we've
the
seen
water.
a ton of deer.
And a ton of deer almost ran
Marcos.
over
Yeah.
several of them. I don't know why we're always the lead car when the deer pops out in front of us.
And then they don't know which way to go. And
They say moose and bears are very rare to be seen up here.
bears and moose are supposed to be here in the park, but they say they're very rare to see. People don't rarely see them. I guess they know where people are and stay away. I don't know.
All right, we're gonna watch for a little bit longer. This is
Take out.
Takes out from Schoodic
Peninsula.
Peninsula.
You know we're not saying that right.
Something like that. love this part.
You open it for me?
Hit me one more time.
Hit me one more time.
When all is over.